Welcome to Let Me Fix This. Enjoy the video.
You start by confirming your phone fits and has a gyroscope. This matters because head tracking relies on it. Once done, power off energy drains, launch your VR app, and place the phone in the cradle so the display aligns with the lenses. Make sure to adjust the IPD and strap tension until the image centers and text sharpens. This reduces eye strain and motion lag, so you can move to interacting without discomfort or distorted visuals. You now pair and calibrate controls because accurate input avoids motion sickness and frustration. First, sync the controller and confirm button mapping matches the app, remap if necessary. Then run the in-app calibration routine for head tracking and reset your forward direction while standing where you'll play. Make sure to physically clear your space and set a visible boundary. This prevents accidents and lets the system recenter correctly. Once calibrated, test simple interactions to verify responsiveness before longer sessions. You finish by optimizing performance and handling common issues so your session stays smooth. Lower brightness and quit background apps to reduce thermal throttling and extend battery life, and keep the headset vents unobstructed. If you hit frame drops or drift, update app and firmware, then reboot devices. This often clears sensor errors. As a last key tip, if tracking fails, remove and reseat the phone. Then run the calibration routine again. Recentering usually restores accurate controller and head alignment.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.